guys, today is April 3, 2018. It's the 120th anniversary of the Battle of Tres de Abril. Do you know, in 1898, Cebu City was captured by the Cebuano Katipuneros led by Leon Quilat for 3 days, where they drove the Spaniards to Fort San Pedro. And that revolt was so big because, yes, they were able to scare Spain, and it was like the biggest victories of the Cebuano Katipuneros in the revolt. So today marks the 120th anniversary, and there's a hotel in Cebu that celebrates this. If there's a hotel that celebrates the historical events, this would be the Palm Grass Hotel here in Colon area, and we're basically here for the festivities of Tres de Abril. So among their buffet, they have a buffet here featuring Bisaya dishes, Cebuano dishes. Check this video out. Of course, excited na mga tao kay ang lechon andam na. So karon matilawan na mo ang mga klase-klase dalit dire sa Palm Grass Hotel. So nga ako yung giuna ang inasal. So awa. Sino dibigas niya? Ay na Lopez. Ang akong panihapon ron, ligo na ako sa buffet, mais. Ligo na ako. Dugo-dugo na ako sa mamema. Good luck ko no sa arthritis. Yan ay inasal, na kamote tops, na mga atay, plus crispy kangkong. Of course, nilagang baka para sa sabaw. So, in the end, it was an awesome dinner at Palm Grass Hotel. They really have a good Filipino buffet, and yes, Cebuano food. And of course, that hotel is awesome. That because today I learned a lot about the Katipunan movement in Cebu, the KKK, the Tres de Abril battle, the story of Pantaleon Villegas or Leon Quilat. As Cabino said, how he died, how he went to the sastre before he was killed by Cebuanos, I guess, who were scared by the Spaniards. So it was a sad story, but of course we learn a lot from history, and yes, hopefully more people will commemorate Tres de Abril and other historical events, because yes, we won't be here without what happened in the past, and we need to learn from it. So thank you for watching, guys, and yeah, I hope you subscribe if you haven't subscribed.